I would have died for the name Jesus when I was till Yahweh opened my eyes. Yahweh says, I revealed myself unto who the Father will. The steadfastness of the book Hebrews in the last days. In this 21st century, churches and institutions, they are training people to become prophets. To do what? To hear what God is saying to them, because they don't know Yahweh. And then he or she will inform the church congregation in this supernatural. Is this scriptural? I don't find one place in the whole Bible where ever there was a student that had to be trained according to the word to prophesy. It's a gift that Yahweh gave to the prophet because he heard the voice of Yahweh and being the mouthpiece unto the nation of Israel. Because we now know that Yahweh Almighty is speaking to us through the Son Yahweh. What did he say in Matthew 1 verse 1? In the old times, Yahweh spoke to the nation of Israel through the prophets. Today he's speaking to us through his Son, using the Ruach HaKodesh. Because we know that today Yahweh Almighty is speaking to us through his Son Yahweh, or I can also not read and understand standard English. There's no scripture that says that anybody should be trained as a prophet. It is wonderful how Yahweh Elohim, which is in brackets God, in this very two verses of the book Hebrews has shown how people prefer to do what the church world wants them to do and believe. You go on the internet, it's full of different courses that has been offered to become a prophet. 2-year course or a 3-year course, you pay a certain amount of money. It's all about the money. As we continue in the study, we will have to from time to time, take stock of our spiritual position or life and look at the things in different churches being promoted as the only truth and church dogma, while there is no sufficient scripture to confirm it. You are about to partake in one of the greatest revelations in the Bible. Now you must fasten your seatbelt if you have one. Where did Yahweh, in brackets Jesus, came from? I'm just using the word Jesus here for the benefit of the people not knowing Yahweh. What do you say? Where did Yahweh or Jesus came from? I'm first going to read the verse in order for you to overthink it. And then we study it word for word. You see, it's no use that I'm only feeding you with the word. I need you to get to think. The other angels in heaven. Is there angels in heaven? Yeah. There's angels. There's other angels in heaven. Now we're going to start from Hebrew 1 verse 3. And I want you to bear with me, because we can't just rush through this. It's impossible. It's too deep word to just read and run, or hit and run. We need to read and prayerfully read the Bible and ask Yahweh through the Ruach HaKodesh to take the blinds away from our eyes. The spiritual blinds, the lures that prevent us from understanding the word. And it's not per coincidence that we are doing this Bible study, this specific Bible study. We are living in the end times. And Yahweh through the Ruach HaKodesh wants to reveal the sealed secrets of the Bible. Unto whom? To the bride of Yahweh.